Hi, I know you think that this is your normal Zobo drink, Abby. Look at the color. The color is popping. But this is actually a flat tummy recipe that I made. Huh. I noticed that my tummy is the way it's looking. I don't really like it. So I decided to create this recipe so that I can take it and help myself. So this thing worked for me. This recipe actually worked for me. Then I decided to share it. In this page, anything I've not tried that I will not share. Seriously. So this thing worked for me and I thought to share to my faves. To my faves. So what ingredients are we using for this recipe? Get your normal zobo leaf as you can see on the screen or hibiscus leaf. A handful is okay. Depends on the quantity you want to make. A handful is okay. Get your bay leaves. 5 to 6 pieces of bay leaves is okay. Get your cloves, like you can see, count it. 20 pieces is okay. Get your ginger. Get your lemon and your cinnamon sticks. All these things is what we'll be using to make this recipe. Now wash everything together. Wash it and add in your pot. Add drinking water. I believe you know you're supposed to add drinking water, clean drinking water. Add it and bring everything to a boil. Let it boil for 15 minutes. 10 minutes is okay. Boil it and allow it to cool down. Now, when it cools down, you can decide to strain and put in your refrigerator and be taking from there morning and night. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach, you take it, 1 glass. Then last thing in the night after your meal, you take it. But make sure it's mine. I take mine warm so that it will work very fast. You got to go now. So it depends on you. But mine, I left mine inside the spot, and every morning I will reheat it. Then I'll take the one I want to take for the morning or in the night. So that is how I did mine. And this badge I created lasted for me for 4 days. So every morning I come out, I reheat it, then take the quantity I want to take, leave it in the pot. But you can decide to do the other way around, like strain it and put it in your freezer or refrigerator. Then every morning you take it out and reheat. So whichever one you think that will work better for you, please do that. So I'm just telling you what I did with mine. So this is me straining it just to show you how the thing looked like. So I actually poured this back to the pot after this video. So please, if you are struggling with belly fat, for this recipe to work very well, for it to work effectively, you have to stop eating late at night. Not after 7 p.m. You are still taking swallow. It will not work. Oh. I'm being sincere and honest. It will not work. So make sure you don't eat late at night. At least by 7 p.m. you should have done whatever food you had to eat all that night so that this recipe can work very well. I did it and it worked for me and I decided to share. At this point, give this video a thumbs up. Bye.